How to lock folder in Windows 10 with password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can lock folder in Windows 10 with password. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and see how we can do that. For that, you need to open up your file manager and head over to the folder that you wanna put password on. So once you have located your file, you can just right click on it and you will be finding this on your interface. Just go ahead and select properties, and under properties, go to this advanced section. And once you have reached on this and this display message pops up, under this compress or encrypt attributes, you'll be finding two options. So you're going to go ahead and select the second option called encrypt, this one right here. And after checking mark on it, go ahead and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you'll be finding this. So you can just go ahead and back up your encryption certificate and key. You can back up it later as well. Otherwise, after that is done, you can go ahead and select the second one for personal information exchange. And once that is done, once you've selected that and check mark on all of those, you'll be finding this section where you can enter up a password and confirm it in order to set up a security for your folder. So after you have set up your security for your folder, you can just go ahead and tap on next and follow the on-screen prompts, and it will set up a password for your folder. So that is it. That is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.